Okay, children. So next we will discuss 2 or 3 example problems. Then after I will go for next topic. So here see, same prime factorization method only, but then what we have to do if they will give different problems. So here once let us see. Then example first one, find the square root of, find the square root of 1296 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Right. Solution. So given number 1296. Okay, then same take 1296. So in the units place 6, so it will get in 2 table. So 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Otherwise 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 1 9, 2 6s are 12. Then again 2 table. 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 table. 2 1s are 2. If we take 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are. Next 2 8s are, 2 1s are. 81 we are getting. So 81, so 81 is not, will get in 2 table. So take 3. 3 2s are 6, remaining 2, 21, 3 7s are. Again 3 table, 3 9s are. Again 3 table, 3 3s are. So we can write 1296 is equals to 1 2 3 4, 2 4 times, and 3 also 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, so 48 3s are, then if you multiply 3 3 3, this into symbol, children, don't get confused, right? So now make pairs. This is one pair, this is one, and this is one, and this one is. So now under root of 1296 is equal to, for this pair 1, this and this one into this one. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So therefore the square root of 1296 is equal to 36. Okay, children? So this is the first, if they will ask, prime factorization method. So now let us discuss the different type question. See here example 5. What is given? Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number by which $720 should be multiplied to get a perfect square. See children here. Example 5. Find the smallest number by which 720 should be multiplied to get a perfect square. Here the given number is 720 children. So this number is multiplied by a number. That number is smallest. Okay? What is the smallest number which 720 should be multiplied to get a perfect square? Means if you take a number, if you multiply 720 with this, then this 720 will become as a perfect square. Then what is the multiplied number? That we should find out. See children, when they are asking, so multiplied or divide or anything if they will ask, just you go through prime factorization method first. See, given that, what is given children? 720. What we have to do? First we have to find out what are the prime factors. Right, 720. Take to table. 2 3s are, 2 6s are, means 0. Next, 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 0. Next, 2 90s are. Next, 2 45s are. Now 45. Anyway, in the units place, if 5 is there, then we can take 5 because 5 is the prime number. Then 5 9s are. Then 3 3s are. So 720 we can write as 1 2 3 4. 4 2s into 5 into 3 into 3. See children, after writing this, first we have to make pairs. See, if you observe carefully, this is one pair, this is one pair, this is one pair, but 5 alone. So to get this 5 also pair, what we should do? We have to multiply the given number with one more 5. So when we are multiplying, then both sides we should multiply. So here 2 3 are getting pairs, but 5 is alone. So we should multiply a given number or multiply by 5 with a given number. So children, so what number we are getting alone? So that number, with that number we should multiply. Sometimes you will get 2 numbers alone. So if 2 numbers will get like, so first we should multiply with these 2 and with this number we should multiply. So here 5 is alone, the given number we have to multiply with 5. So see children here, then 720 into 5, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 5. So now this is also one pair now. So 5 0 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 1 3600. Then this 3600 we have to find out square root. So here then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. See children, in the question they are asking find the smallest number by which 720 should be multiplied. So we should multiply with 5. Okay, then in the some questions they will give and find the square root of resulting number. If they will ask find the square root of resulting number, then here we should find out under root of 3600, 2 into 5 into 3. So how much we will get? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, then 12 5s are 12 5s are 60. Yes children, so therefore 60 is the square root of 3600. So this is children how to find out the square root by according to the given problem. So next we will discuss different problem in the next class.